think I told the people, I told the viewers, I told the people, the viewers, and my housemates that I'm here to entertain, and that's what I'm doing. There's no one person that will say he or she have not cracked up or laughed from one or two things that I did, or I still do. You know, I'm an entertainer, is what I do. I'm a creator, I create things.
See the main reason why White Money will survive Sunday eviction show. Big Brother Naija housemate White Money has again reacted to his possible eviction on Sunday, expressing optimism that he would not be sent home on Sunday. During a diary session with Biggie, White Money stated that he is in the house to win the game, stressing that everyone has felt his impact in the house since the commencement of the show. I'll rate my chances of surviving the eviction at 70% from the first day I walked into the house. I have been entertaining the housemates. No one will say he or she has not laughed due to my jokes since I came here. So I'm positive that I will survive Sunday's eviction show. I told the viewers and housemates that I'm here to entertain and that's what I'm doing, he stated. White Money also indicated his support for the current head of house Boma, stating that he is a real guy. Recall that White Money was nominated for eviction on Monday by Maria and Perry. Some housemates like Maria had assured the popular contestant that he would not be evicted on Sunday. Guys, what do you think about White Money being up for nomination? Do you think he'll be evicted on Sunday? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if it's your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification whenever a new video drops. Thanks.